Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering a rigid measuring tape or a 12-inch ruler and a soft cloth. Power off the computer to avoid pressing the screen accidentally. Wipe the display surface with the cloth to remove glare from dust. Sit directly in front of the monitor so you can see the true corners. Angle the ruler or tape so it lies flat across the screen without bending. This preparation makes the physical measurement consistent and accurate every time. Place the rigid ruler or tape against the inner top left corner of the visible display. Stretch it diagonally to the inner bottom right corner across the active screen area. Make sure the measuring tool rests flat on the glass without bending or lifting. Do not include any plastic bezel or frame in your measurement. Read the length in inches and record it to the nearest zero. 1 inch. That diagonal measurement is the monitor size manufacturer's list. If you cannot measure the diagonal directly, measure the visible width and height in inches. Use the Pythagorean formula to compute diagonal. Diagonal equals the square root of width squared plus height squared. Convert measurements precisely to inches before computing for correct results. Compare the computed diagonal with the physical measurement when possible. Remember that resolution or system settings cannot replace a physical measurement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.